I only started cooking after my marriage and it's been 6 years already. But I don't know why making curry puffs is always such a big challenge for me. I think I've only tried making curry puffs about 3 times. Today I'm going to show you my experience making them. Not a perfect one, but they turned out tasty. And why I say that is because I actually want to make this recipe again. The ingredients are on the screen. This time I'm making potato curry puffs, but next time I want to make sardine because that's my favorite. For today's filling, I just kept it simple with potatoes and a few basic ingredients, nothing too fancy. I always feel like curry puffs look so easy to make when I watch other people do it, but once I start making them myself, it's seriously a different story. I realized adding cold water makes the dough softer. Here I am sprinkling some plain flour on the surface to prevent the dough from sticking. I do understand why the mold doesn't work for me. I always end up shaping them by hand instead. You will see why now.
Patchwork.
Shape of the curry puff made look like a driver illama or kadi odana eppadi irukko adhe madiri dhaan, but not everything that looks good has a good outcome. Yes, I'm only talking about food here. And here's my daughter imitating me. She was just happily copying whatever I was doing with the mold. Kids really do watch everything we do. In the end, they may not look bakery perfect, but they came out crispy. The filling was delicious, and that's all that matters. I call that a successful batch. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.